stay in the water. Thank you, hi. Okay, my loves, I will be wrapping it here for the night. Thank you. I go live a couple times a week, so make sure you turn on that notification bell, make sure you're following, make sure you're subscribed as well. It's literally 80% off for a few more people. I'm just about to end the live stream here, and as soon as it ends, it will not be 80% off anymore, okay? So you can go check that out. It'll be pinned right now. Thank you. It'll be pinned in a second, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe too, okay, my loves? Thank you. And like I said, I will be the gear responding for the rest of the night. Thank you, Jumpy Jacks. We will do.
Sino mo? Ayaw, hindi kayo rin mo. Okay lang sa akin. Madaan mo, te. Okay lang. Di naman yung mga ganito. Di naman din ako nangihinayang ko. Mas malaki pa yung nawala sa akin. Hindi naman sa akin. Eto, Miss Viria, maganda sa mora na to yung suot ko. Si color taupe. Si color taupe, si copper brown, o kaya si old. Kaya nung nalaman ko, hindi mo lang. Okay lang. Oh, babe.
Ako bumili naman tayo ng ganda.
Diba?
Yes. Ikaw tayo may tara. Di mo lang sasabihin dyan.
Binabaan.
Yung mo. Same sa coins bit. Tap, tap. Sendan lagi tikag kinomo. Latog pala utog, my viewers. Richard, latog pala utog. Wow, latog ayo food. Kaya, oh. Del! Del! Kuha sa Del! Unfair ni mo, Diloy. Unfair kay ka, Del. My viewers, natog pala otog. Tawa pa kani. Kinuan. 360. Ito 360. Yes, Richard. Nilitanan pala utog. Wow! Managhugas. I see. Ito yung lead kita, ma'am. 69. Masin ko 3K. Wow! 69! Dagan kay viewers. Pero why mo tap-tap? Wala pa dyan mo send o kuan. Lo ko mauban. Tap tika. Tap ari tap sa kong giti. Parang wow. Hoy, itong bunay. Kuyawan, mabanto. Apila ako, Adel. I'm done na guys. So do not. Wala ipadilbe. Dagan kay pala utog no? Oh, dagan kay viewers. Dagan kay viewers. Happy 300. Oh. Ipapiit na sa sira. Thank you. Ano man na lang. Palautog ka mo. I'm done, oy. Kung mo kayo. I'm done, oy. Away kami, maybe.
That's the mother. That's the mother.
Away kami, Mila.
Sorry. Sorry.
Away dahil siya,
Luka ka
Mila.
ni bataan.